We're testing a 4-element 4-channel anti-jamming antenna. Compare with a normal antenna. This is the number of satellite signals received by the anti-jamming antenna. This is for a normal antenna. Then turn on the jamming source at a distance of about 15 meters. Jamming source turn on. The anti-jamming antenna picked up signals from 35 satellites. Positioning is normal. Ordinary antennas no longer have satellites and no positioning. Turn off the interference source. The received satellite effect after shutting down the jamming source. The reception of ordinary antenna is also normal. Now the test is a TOW frequency 8-channel anti-interference terminal with B3. Now show the star collection of this product. 37 stars received, normal latitude and longitude. Now it is the acquisition situation of the ordinary antenna. Receiving and latitude and longitude are normal. Interference source power 10 watts, distance of about 10 meters, turn on the interference source. The source of interference has been turned on, let's see how it goes. This is the star collection status and latitude and longitude of the anti-jamming product. 29 stars left, normal latitude and longitude. The normal antenna star count and latitude and longitude have been jammed. Now turn off the jammer and let's see what happens. The interference source is turned off. The reception of the anti-jamming antenna is normal. Latitude and longitude normal. The reception of ordinary antennas is normal. Latitude and longitude are back to normal. The test is the 3-frequency 8-channel anti-interference terminal G1 version. The anti-jamming antenna received 35 stars, and the longitude and latitude accuracy are normal. Ordinary antenna reception is normal. Latitude and longitude are normal. The test distance is about 10 meters. Turn on the jammer. The source of interference is turned on, let's see what's going on. The anti-jamming antenna is currently receiving stars normally, and the longitude and latitude are normal. Ordinary antennas can no longer receive stars. Latitude and longitude are also disturbed. Now turn off the jammer and let's see what happens. Interference source turned off. The receiving condition of the anti-jamming antenna is normal, and the accuracy is also normal. The reception conditions in latitude and longitude of ordinary antennas have also returned to normal. What is being tested now is an anti-interference and anti-deception all-in-one machine. Please see the star collection status and longitude and latitude of this product. 29 stars received, normal longitude and latitude. Here are the reception status and latitude and longitude of the ordinary antenna. Receiving star is normal. Latitude and longitude normal. The test distance is about 10 meters. Turn on the interference source. Interference source turned on. There are still 29 stars for dual anti-resistance products, which have not been disturbed. Latitude and longitude normal. Ordinary antennas can no longer receive satellites. Latitude and longitude are gone. Now turn off the jammer and let's see what happens. Interference source turned off. Dual anti-resistance products receive stars normally. Latitude and longitude are also normal. The reception of ordinary antennas is normal. Latitude and longitude normal. Now testing a 7-element anti-jamming antenna. The anti-jamming antenna received 34 stars and the latitude and longitude are normal. This is the star collection situation of an ordinary antenna. Latitude and longitude are normal. The test distance is about 10 meters, and the interference source is turned on. The interference source is turned on. The anti-jamming antenna can still receive 31 stars, and the latitude and longitude are normal. Ordinary antennas can no longer receive stars. Latitude and longitude are also disturbed. Now turn off the jammer and let's see what happens. Interference source turned off. Anti-jamming antenna received 36 stars. Latitude and longitude are also normal. Ordinary antenna reception returns to normal. Latitude and longitude are also normal. What we're doing now is a 16-element anti-jamming antenna test. Receiving in latitude and longitude of ordinary antennas. This is the anti-jamming antenna acquisition status and latitude and longitude. Interference device power is 10 watts. The interference distance is about 10 meters. Turn on the jammer and see what's going on. The reception status and longitude and latitude of the anti-jamming antenna after being disturbed are still normal. After the ordinary antenna is disturbed, the star can no longer be received, and the latitude and longitude have also been disturbed. Turn off the interference source. Ordinary antenna receiver and latitude and longitude gradually recover. The anti-jamming antenna is still normal. The product tested now is a 16-element anti-jamming and anti-spoofing all-in-one machine. Receipt and longitude and latitude of anti-jamming antenna before interference. This is the latitude and longitude of a normal antenna. The test distance is about 10 meters. The interference source power is 10 watts. Turn on the jammer and let's see what happens. This is the reception status and latitude and longitude of the ordinary antenna after being disturbed. No more stars. The latitude and longitude have not moved. This is the anti-jamming antenna. After being interfered with. Receiving status and latitude and longitude, everything is normal. Now turn off the jammer and let's see what happens. Ordinary antenna reception gradually returns to normal. The anti-jamming antenna is still normal.